That's a nuke.
Yeah, watch out. It looks like it's gonna come down over here. Hey, that motherfucker was moving too. When it was coming up.
Did you saw it the whole time?
Yeah.
Look at that thing. What the fuck is that?
That's weird as hell. Hurt.
Where did it even come from?
It disappeared, didn't it?
Yeah, it just disappeared. Perfect.
Here, give me your hand. Give me your hand, mama. Mama.
Booming down, booming down. Coming down. Hold on, let's get this while we got a chance. Good. Flyer out. Send her to the water. Yes, sir.
You know how the dog grabbed it?
Yeah.
Right? And you know how it's probably that much?
Yeah.
You don't have, you know, you can leave a little bit of that bite.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're saying. You don't have to go all the way at the bottom.
Yeah.
Gotcha. New Hamka?
Yeah.
Let me see that thing. What is this? 22, I like it.
Yeah.
Sharp claw. Looking good.
30 bucks or something.
There you go.
Ow! So the claw just scraped me.
I'm more of an S-wing guy myself.
Go that way, that way. There's a snake in the water. Shit.
Woo! Did we put gas in this bitch? No, but it's full. It's pretty full. I see it. You see the gauge. You can see the gauge. Finding ways to articulate the feeling going through. Let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here.
There's a little hanger hanging right there, right to your right.
You ready now?
Oh yeah, baby.
Got anything to say to YouTube? Huh?
Anything to YouTube?
Yeah.
Let's get it, baby. Big job, man. Walking on the
Make sure all our ropes are out of the water. I know we had one rope in the water.
I got it up.
You got it? Everything. All right.
Shit, man. Shit.
Dom, grab that pump and start pumping this shit. Stick it right here.
Right there.
Hose out.
And pump it in your
Turn it on.
all the way.
Come on, boy. Oh yeah.
Yep, coming in.
Yep, coming in. Coming in. Right in.
Your radio working? Hey, just so you know, that mic, if it gets wet, you can't fucking talk in it. Shouldn't talk in it anyway, but still. That one's not submersible like these ones.
All right.
You can fuck that thing up.
Steve, maybe cut those off and we'll keep moving ahead.
Hey, you heard what Zach said, right?
Cut them off about 2 about like that.
Just a little bit, you know, like 6 inches. Like cut off 6 inches above where the fucking jaws grab.
Right.
Yeah, maybe a little lower. Yep.
Shit, man. Shit, man. Hoorah. Get it, baby. Zeus.
Pile drivers. Tell me what you need. If you want closer, farther. that's fine. One more. Put it to half stroke. Hold the trigger down, put it all the way down, click it one up.
It is on half stroke.
Half stroke, okay. You shouldn't have to hold the trigger then. You have to hold the trigger. It won't go down unless you're holding the trigger.
It's all the way down.
Okay, click it up once.
Yeah.
Turn that chain off.
There you go.
Yep. All right, let's do some retrieval now.
Man, stop. You go like this. Brand new hammer. You go like this. Get this fucking thing out of here. You put that behind you, Joe? Come on. Here.
Yeah, you just got coomed on. There you go. That now it's nice and light. Oh yeah, put it right on him. Oh, watch it.
Careful, bro. You're gonna smack you right in the face.
All you had to do was leave your hand right there. You couldn't find it.
Wood retrieval. Get it now. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Damn. Okay. He said, "Fuck a hammer." Fuck a beat. I was trying to beat a case.
But
Crop dusted his ass, you know what I'm saying?
Have to hook you into that stern spud there, Kyle.
You need to sink your hammer in there. I sink mine and pick it up. Dumb. That's how it goes.
boy, you stop being a little weenie.
Smart.
Dang.
Put my hammer.
Yeah, we can't really see it though.
Hold on, come down, come down.
Coming down. Coming down on that. Oh, hold that, hold that. Coming down.
Come down. Come down.
Nice. On it.
Marlon, it looks like there's probably a pile closer to you, right? Hey,
Hold on, he's swinging it. There you go, coming down. All right, you're on it.
Heavy.
Hold on, let Zach call the close. How much does the hammer weigh? With the boot.
The last one weighed 11,000.
See what the lamp on the
machine's off. Go over there and look at it.
Hold on.
Yeah, the bolts on the jaw good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, the bolts on the jaw are good. I think it might be our little
What are you talking about? That like
clip.
that noise?
Yeah.
What that is?
The grain?
That's right here. So once you start pulling, see this inner piece?
Yeah.
So there's a piece of box tubing right here. So the way it's designed is right when you're not pulling very hard, it's just using these outside ones.
Okay.
So once you start hearing that knocking, it's because it's starting to engage in that centerpiece.
Okay.
So if he was just to pull a little harder, it would probably quiet up because it'd have more pressure on it.
Here, let him know.
That's normal.
Nah, that shit's fucking done. All stop.
Do you want to look at it, Marlon, or something?
It just blew. It just blew up the top again. What the fuck's wrong with my shit? Break it off. Hell yeah.
What number was that?
What number was that? 16 or 15? 15.
So 15 and 16 broke. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, she's coming. She's coming, all right. No, that's what he was saying. That's what the ape guy was saying.
Why you call it an egg when it's down hitting on your chest? I mean, that ain't false advertising. It gets you all fucking jacked up. You want to fucking full throttle.
Controls on me. The good part is that broke it. You know what I mean? Like the hammer just switched up the dead part. Fuck, fine, dude. I'll just fine, dude. That number's been long over a while. Look at it. Oh, she's going. Nope, not yet. I'm gonna swing around. Yeah, big one. Run, that's mine. Oh yeah, they disappeared. That's the other half. In a nice spot. We got a floater.
Yep. There's me.
Yeah. Roll it?
Roll it.
Yeah, we can try. Just give it a big ass belly and try to fish it through.
I just need to get through this fucking thing.
Oh, yeah.
It's all fucking up. It's all spilling all over the fucking place, isn't it?
Yeah. Sink that through. Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it.
We are drifting.
Yeah, we're drifting fast.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Go ahead, yeah. Okay, we're good.
Okay. Tie us off. I wouldn't tie off that tight yet. Loosen it up a little bit. Loosen. Nah, hold on. Just loosen it up real quick. Wait.
You're going a little fast.
All right, now tight. Now tight. Make it off.
Is it a single hour?
Hold on. Just go. Just make it off. Make it off. There we go. We got it. Tell them we got it, baby. Fuck you mean?
Alright, let me get the fucking mic. No, Marlon. Can we back out, Sean?
Yeah. You want me to back off? You good? You need some help? Need a hand?
I was just thinking if we come out, I can send the rope this way.
Yeah.
That way he can grab it easier.
Okay.
Can we back up a little bit?
Back up a little bit. Okay. We're live.